Good morning. This is Mrs. P. KARTHIKEYANI, Department of Mathematics, Trinity College for Women, Namakkal. Today we are going to see about correlation. The word correlation is made of co and relation. Co means together. Correlation is a statistical tool that helps to measure and analyze the degree of relationship between two variables. That is, we are going to determine the relationship between x and y, two variables. That is correlation. It helps us in finding the degree or extent of quantitative relationship between two variables. Correlation is denoted as R. Correlation coefficient. The measure of correlation is called correlation coefficient. The coefficient of correlation R is a measure of the strength of the linear relationship between two variables. The degree of relationship lies between -1 and +1. That is, the correlation coefficient ranges from -1 to +1. Methods of studying correlation. We have 6 methods to study the correlation. First one is scatter diagram method, Cole-Pearson coefficient correlation, Spearman coefficient of rank correlation, concurrent deviation method, partial correlation, multiple correlation. Most common widely used method is Cole-Pearson's. The most common formula is the Pearson correlation coefficient used for linear dependency between the data sets. When the coefficient comes down to 0, then the data is considered as not related. That is, x and y is not related. We get the value of +1, then the data are positively correlated. When we get the value of -1, then the data are negatively correlated. Formula: R is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by root of n into summation x square minus summation x the whole square into root of n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square, or covariance of x comma y divided by root of variance of x into root of variance of y. Example: from the following data, calculate the coefficient of correlation between x and y series. Given that n is equal to 25, summation x is equal to 125, summation x square is equal to 650, summation y is equal to 100, summation y square is equal to 436, summation xy is equal to 520. R is equal to n into summation xy, that is 25 into 520, minus summation x into summation y. Summation x is 125 and summation y is 100, divided by root of n into summation x square. 25 into 650 minus summation x the whole square. So 125 into 125 into root of n into summation y square, that is 25 into 436 minus summation y the whole square. So 100 into 100. So 25 into 525, it becomes 13,000 minus 125 into 100, 12,500 divided by root of 16,250 minus 15,625 into root of 10,900 minus 10,000. Then the R is equal to 0.67. There is a relationship between x and y series. Thank you.